In this clip, I answer a question about how to control access to Docker and Swarm's API with admin access using the RBAC plugins. Let's see. Is there any way to limit Docker stack deploys such as RBAC in the Swarm master? John, that is a great question, not out of the box. So when we talk about RBAC is role-based authentication. So what you're really asking is, can I limit people to certain stacks or certain nodes or certain collections of things in a Swarm? You get that with Docker Enterprise. That's one of the enterprise features that you pay for with their paid product. You don't get that in the free open source version. However, if you look up the word Docker Auth Z, A-U-T-H-Z, I believe, that is the standard plugin model for authorization plugins. So if you go to Docker's documentation and you look up authorization plugins, you will probably find some examples of what they talk about there. There are also several open source versions, and you can work on those and sort of create your own model for authentication like that. I've not seen anyone really go to production with their own hand-rolled RBAC. They usually put something on top of it like Docker Enterprise or Portainer. If you've ever heard of Portainer, portainer.io can do some of that. So check that out. Actually, that's in beta, by the way. If you're, let's go back to the browser. If you go to Portainer, they have a new beta that supports RBAC out of the box, and I think it's a free plugin. And it's free. I mean, this is open source software right here. So check that out. Otherwise, Docker Enterprise would be my next suggestion. Hey, thanks for watching. Remember to click subscribe and the notification bell if you want to know when I go live every week to talk about Docker and DevOps and take your questions. I also have other videos over here, or you could just go try to solve that Rubik's Cube you got at a conference last year.